aydınlatır öğretmenleri, final okulları,
özgüvenli öğrencileri, final okulları.
Hello everybody, welcome to our English lesson. Today we are going to talk about the feature. Let's start. First we are going to start with feature. What is feature? Let's see it. For example, this year is 2020, but after 1 year it will be 2021, and 2021 is the feature. Let's check the examples all together. Let's start with the first one. The weather will be rainy tomorrow. This is the feature, don't forget. And let's check the other one. I will be a doctor. I will be a doctor in the future, you can say. Or you can say, when I grow up, I will be a doctor. And let's check the other one. Will you come to the party next Sunday? Yes, this is the feature. The time is about feature. And we put will in front of the sentence and we make it the question. We make our question. Let's check the other example. I won't come to the party next Sunday. And this is the negative answer. So you see how we did the negative answer. The negative one is here. And the last example, I will be in 5th grade next year. It means that after 1 year, you will be in the 5th grade. So next year is the feature, and our rule, you know, we are using will here, like this, and we use will here again. Okay, we learned the rules about will, and let's start to our unit. But before starting, I want you to check the flashcards all together, and with flashcards we are going to check the vocabularies all together. Let's start with the first one. I'm going to make you to listen it, and please repeat after you hear it.
Planet.
Okay, let's listen it one more time.
Planet.
That's nice. Let's continue. What's this? Okay.
Moon. Moon.
Okay. Let's check this.
Comet.
One more.
Comet.
You are perfect. Okay.
Galaxy.
Yes.
Galaxy.
That's nice. I think that you are repeating after you hear it.
Solar system. Solar system.
Okay.
Dwarf planet. Dwarf planet.
It's perfect. What's this?
Rings.
Okay.
Rings.
It's nice.
Orbit. Orbit. Crater. Crater. Surface. Surface. Spacecraft. Spacecraft.
Okay, we see our vocabularies and we see our flashcards and we repeat the vocabulary. Now let's start to our unit with the first activity. Okay, let's start here. Okay, as you see, there are 5 sentences here and there are some pictures here, and here are the words actually. We are going to read the sentences and then we are going to fill in the blanks with that words, and after that we are going to match the pictures with the sentences. Alright, let's start. The first one is done already, but let's check it all together. Our planet, the Earth, is part of the solar system. Okay, so they used the planet, so let's do it like this because we used it here. Okay, let's check the second one. The Milky Way is the blah 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 that contains our solar system. Can you guess the answer? That's exactly correct. We have to write here galaxy. So let's write it all together. Okay, let's put it up. All right, let's take the pencil and do it like this. Okay, you're perfect. Let's continue with the third one. The moon has many blah 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 on its surface. Okay, I heard someone who says to me craters, and you are correct. Let's write it. Okay, let's put it up a little bit. All right, now it's done. It's perfect. Okay, let's go on with the fourth one. Many people think in the future vacations in blah 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 will be possible. What's that? That's exactly correct. Space. It should be space. Let's write it here, space. Okay. All right, let me take the pencil. That's nice. And the last one. Other people think we will probably live blah blah blah. And the answer is already clear. It's underground. Let's write it here. Okay. Okay, let me take it here. That's perfect. Now we finished all the sentences, and now we are going to match the sentences with the pictures. Let's check the first sentence. Our planet, the Earth, is part of the solar system. It's about our planet. So where is our planet in the pictures? Yes, it's here. That's perfect. So this is number 1. Okay, let's continue with the second one. The Milky Way is the galaxy that contains our solar system. The keyword is here, actually, it's the galaxy. So, can you see the galaxy? That's correct. This is number 2. Okay, let's continue with 3. The moon has many craters on its surface. It's about the moon actually, and the keyword is the moon. And where is the moon? That's exactly correct. This one is number 3, and this is the picture of the moon. Let's go on with the fourth one. Many people think in the future vacation in space will be possible. It's about the space, and it's about the vacation, so yes, number 4 is this. That's perfect. And the last one, of course, other people think we will probably live in underground, and as you see, there are some houses underground. They just decorate them like underground. So the fifth one is this. Okay, that's perfect. Let's continue. Now here we are. I know you have your resource book. This activity, we are going to complete this activity with your resource book, and I want you to open your resource book and find FA. There are stickers like this, so we are going to listen, and please be careful about the sentences, and then according to the sentences and according to our listening part, we are going to match the stickers with that boxes. All right? Okay, I will start. Okay.
Listen and match. Then write the names.
Hi there, my name's Ricky and welcome to Kids Radio. Today we're talking about life in 2100. Call me now and tell me your predictions. Okay, we have Jake on the line. What's your prediction for the future, Jake?
Please be careful. Jake will talk on phone, so I want you to be very careful.
I think people will live in space. They'll live in special cities on the moon. And on
Okay, did you hear it? She said that people will live in cities on the moon. So, which picture is correct, do you think? Check the pictures. Which one is the moon? Yes, exactly it is this, because there is a small thing here and it's written on it Moon City, and she is exactly talking about that picture. So, I want you to match this picture with this box. Alright? Okay, I'm continuing.
planets too, like Mars. And then they will visit Earth on vacation.
Thanks, Jake. Now we have Julia. What's your prediction, Julia?
Okay, now Julia will speak, so I want you to be very careful.
I think the weather will be very hot. And
Okay, did you hear her? She said, I think the weather will be very hot. Now, please, check the pictures and find the correct one. Exactly, this is Julia's picture actually, because she said that the weather is very hot, and look at this. In that picture, yes, the weather is really look like very hot. So I want you to stick that sticker to this box. I'm continuing.
pollution will become a bigger problem too.
Oh dear, that doesn't sound good. What do you think, Sam?
Life will be great in 2100. Oh,
By the way, I want you to pay attention on Sam's speech. Sam is here. Please be careful.
kids will have their lessons at home. No more.
Okay, did you hear him? Let me take it a little bit back.
I think the weather will be very hot. And
Okay.
pollution will become a bigger problem too.
Oh dear, that doesn't sound good. What do you think, Sam?
Life will be great in 2100. All kids will have their lessons at home.
Okay, did you hear him? He said all kids will have all their classes at home. So let's find the picture all together. And he is the guy, he is taking his lessons at home. So we are going to stick this picture to that box. Let's
No
continue.
more school. And their teachers will be different too. Kids will have computer teachers, not people.
How cool is that? Thanks, Sam. Now we have Anna on the line.
Hi, Ricky.
Be careful, Anna is speaking.
I think people will drive electric cars in the future, and they'll ride them on underground roads.
So did you hear her? She said, she talked about the cars actually, and when we check our stickers, we can see the only picture is about the cars, so we have to match this picture with that box.
Planet will look beautiful again.
That's a very nice idea. What do you think, Tom?
I think people will travel in time.
In time?
Yes, they'll have time machines, and they will travel to the past and the future.
Okay, and Tom talked about the time. So he said that the people will travel in time. So if we check the stickers, there are two left, as you know, and here there are some people who travel in time. So we stick this picture to here. Okay, let's continue.
That sounds fantastic. And what do you think, Emily?
I think life will be amazing in 2100. Every house will have a robot, and the robots will do all the domestic chores.
And you know, lastly, Emily talked about the robot. We are going to listen it one more time because there are some sentences here and they separate them. We are going to match the sentences. Okay, let's start.
Listen and match. Then write the names.
Hi there. my name's Ricky and welcome to Kids Radio. Today we're talking about life in 2100. Call me now and tell me your predictions. Okay, we have Jake on the line. What's your prediction for the future, Jake?
I think people will live in space. They'll live in special cities on the moon. And on other planets too, like Mars. And then they will visit Earth on vacation.
Thanks, Jake.
Okay, so Jake's talked, and let's find Jake's sentences. He said that people will live in city on the moon, and they will visit Earth on vacations. That's correct. Let's write here Jack. Okay. Okay, that's perfect. Let's continue.
Now we have Julia. What's your prediction, Julia?
I think the weather will be very hot, and pollution will become a bigger problem too.
Oh dear,
Did you hear, Julia? She said the pollution will become very big problem, I think. The bigger problem, she said. And let's match it. Let me take the purple one. Yes, the pollution will become a bigger problem. And who said this? Of course, Julia. Let me write her name here. Okay. Okay, let's continue.
doesn't sound good. What do you think, Sam?
Life will be great in 2100. All kids will have their lessons at home. No more school. And their teachers will be different too. Kids will have...
Did you hear him? He said kids will have computers teachers. They will take courses at home and they will have computer teachers. Who said this? Of course, Sam said it. Let's write Sam here. Okay.
computer teachers, not people.
How cool is that? Thanks, Sam. Now we have Anna on the line.
Hi, Ricky. I think people will drive electric cars in the future, and they'll drive them on underground roads.
Okay, did you hear her? She said people will drive, they will drive on underground road. Who said this? Anna. Yes, that's correct. Let's write Anna here. Okay. Let's continue.
Will look beautiful again.
That's a very nice idea. What do you think, Tom?
I think people will travel in time.
In time?
Yes, they'll have time machines, and they will travel to the past and the future.
Okay, did you hear him? He said people will travel to the past and the future. So, let's take brown and let's match it here. Who said this? Of course, Tom said it. Let's write Tom. Okay. And we have the last sentence. Let's listen it again.
Fantastic. And what do you think, Emily?
I think life will be amazing in 2100. Every house will have a robot, and the robots will do all the domestic chores. They will be very intelligent, and they will cook fantastic meals.
She talked about the robots, and she said that robots will cook fantastic meals. So we are matching it here, and let's write here Emily. Okay. Okay. We finished it. Now, thank you so much for watching to me. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.
Aydınlatır öğretmenleri, final okulları.
Özgüvenli öğrencileri, final okul.